Crom, you racing?
Yeah, I sure am.
How you feeling about it?
I feel wonderful, man. My last gorilla lap was awesome. It was actually on race day last year, and it was a good lap. So I think I'm ready to roll.
Sweet.
My plan is just to start each rapid well and end it well. So middle doesn't really matter as long as it starts and ends well. Then it's a good run.
You ready?
Not really.
Tell me about it. How's it going to go for you? How does it feel?
Well, it feels smooth, like a stick of butter in the summertime.
Great. Corner there.
I'm worried about the people telling me that there's like ladies like flashing you and like air horns. And it sounds like it sounds a little scary for sure.
He's within striking distance. Oh! He's definitely within striking distance.
Are you excited? You anxious?
You know, I'm excited because, you know, there's only going to be one winner of the green race, but the star of the show is who's got the best line in the carnage reel. That's what I'm here for, baby.
Nice. How did it go, Eric? How was your race?
Awesome. So I think I did the job.
Awesome.
We'll see. I have no complaints. You know, I make the best of myself.
How'd it go, Billy Jones?
It was good, man. I had some adversity, Shane, but I overcame the adversity, and I don't know. I think I did okay. I'm not sure.
Nice work, buddy.
All right, we're live.
How'd it go?
Oh, it's going really, really good until gorilla, and then I got stuck in the speed trap and had to like put my paddle in the water and like hold it for like 20 seconds until it was like being in a treadmill, just not moving anywhere. But it was super fun, dude.
Dude, it looked awesome till then. But, nice job, man. Way to get it done.
Only one church. Only, yeah.